In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo not verifying bank account, step by step. If your bank won't verify in Venmo, don't worry, this guide walks you through what to try first and exactly how to contact Venmo support for help. Start by giving it a little time. Try verifying your bank again after 1 to 2 days. Venmo and your bank may be running security or micro deposit checks that need a short window to complete. When you try again, double check your routing and account numbers, make sure you're using the correct account type, and confirm your app is updated and your internet connection is stable. Small details can cause verification to fail, so a careful retry after a brief pause often solves it. If it's still not verified after that, it's time to reach out for support. Open your web browser and search for Venmo support. From the search results, go to the Venmo Help Center and open the Contact Us page. On that page, look for the section labeled Connect with Support. This is where you'll see your options to get in touch. You can message them. Messaging is usually the fastest and creates a written record of your conversation. If you're already in the Venmo app, go to Get Help, then tap Chat with Us. Messaging support is available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time, so plan your outreach during those hours for the quickest response. You can also call them if you prefer to speak with someone. Phone support is available every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time. Before you call or chat, have a few details ready. The date you last tried verifying, any on-screen error messages you saw, and the name of your bank. For your security, don't share full account numbers, passwords, or one-time codes. Support can still help without sensitive information. When you connect with an agent, explain clearly that your bank account is not verifying in Venmo and that you've already waited 1 to 2 days and tried again. Ask them to check your verification status, confirm whether any security flags or account mismatches are causing the issue, and advise you on the next steps. They may suggest a specific verification method, confirm whether your bank is supported, or look for account-specific restrictions. That's it. First, wait and retry carefully. If it still doesn't verify, head to the Venmo Help Center, find Connect with Support, and reach out by message or phone during the listed hours. With the right details and a quick chat, you'll usually get this resolved. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your bank verified.